How to fix Lazada account locked. I'm gonna show you what you can do. There are two different fixes. For the first one, you want to open up Google and search for Contact Lazada Customer Service. Now click on Help Center, and here, depending on your version of Lazada or your region, you will see an option if you scroll down to call them. So you can call them and explain the issue with your account and they can assist you. Or you can chat with them. Here you have the option of chatting. If you click on it, it's going to take you to a chat box and you can contact them there. Now, if you don't want to talk to them, another thing, another way how you can reinstate your account is by checking your email address. So on the connected email address to your Lazada account, you will have received information about how you can unlock your account and start using it again, and you'll just follow that information, and that's how you get your account back. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.